In this video, I will guide you with iOS 26 not installing on your iPhone. So Apple recently released public version of iOS 26 and it is available on all the supported iPhones. But many users have complained that they were not able to install this update on their iPhone. So let's see how you can fix it. First of all, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 26. Here is a list of all the devices that supports iOS 26. Next, make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone. To install the update, you need at least 20GB free storage on your iPhone. To check it, open the Settings app. Now here tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Now here make sure at least 20GB storage is available on your iPhone. Also, check the battery of your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is charged at least 50% before you install the update. If you still face issue installing the update, then force restart your iPhone. For this, press the volume button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold the power button, like this. Now keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. Release the power button. Now once your phone restarts, try reinstalling the update again. The very next step is to check your network. Make sure your Wi-Fi or the mobile network is working fine. To fix network issue, you can turn on airplane mode and then turn it off. For this, swipe down from here. Now here, tap on this airplane mode icon. And this will turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on this icon again to turn it off. Now once you do this, install the update again and see if the issue is fixed or not. In case you still face the issue, then try resetting the network settings. For this, open the Settings app. Now here tap on General, scroll down, and here tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Now from here select Reset Network Settings. Now enter a passcode and this will reset the network settings. In case the issue is still not fixed, then take your iPhone to the nearest service center. If your iPhone is in warranty, then they will update your iPhone to iOS 26 for free. So this way I can fix iOS 26 not installing on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.